Hello everyone, welcome to Healthy Looks for You. Today we'll get into some interesting topic on rice and rice products benefits. Rice is the most nutritious staple in the world. So benefits of white rice include maintaining a healthy weight, it supports and restores the glycogen levels and it is easy on digestive system. The benefits of brown rice are it protects against chronic diseases, helps in diabetes control and helps in preventing obesity. There are many rice products available. Among them are the puffed rice, the rice bran oil, the raw rice flour, rice cereals, and many more. The beauty benefits of rice are rice water. It is very rich in amino acids, minerals that can reduce or slow down the aging process. It can be applied to repair the damaged hair also. So when coming to rice flour it is extremely beneficial in maintaining oil levels in the skin. The fibers present in the rice flour keep our digestive system healthy and give a natural glow to the skin. I have mentioned many rice flour packs in my channel. Please have a look. I will also give you the links in my description. Coming to the benefits of rice bran oil, this can help you to increase the levels of vitamin E, and which in turn can speed up the healing of wounds and provide protection from the sun. There are many benefits of rice bran oil, so let's look into some health benefits. It provides nutrition, it prevents cancer, it boosts the immunity, it prevents allergies, and helps to reduce weight. So, when coming to the beauty benefits of rice bran oil, it protects the skin against sunburn and reduces the appearance of wrinkles. It aids in maintaining weight, it conditions the hair, and also helps in providing a younger skin. So Healthy Looks for You says, always consume rice in the right manner. It is eaten alone or in a variety of soups, main dishes and many other cuisines. So please do like, share and subscribe Healthy Looks for You. Thank you.